This 2016 Forest River Cedar Creek 38EL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This used Forest River is 41 feet 7 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 4, Slideout, Skylight, smoke detector, awning, LP detector, water heater, TV, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, stove-top burner, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Forest River Cedar Creek 38EL is 13,989 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.